the right-handed whip. So if you're using a baton, big end at the top. If you're using a stick or something similar, I would suggest you put maybe a piece of tape at the end of it. Then you can concentrate on where that's going on this particular figure. Now, this big end, okay, the end that you're concentrating on, needs to be on the left-hand side of your body. Okay, when we start. So, grab it, big end at the top, put it behind your back. Okay, now the big end is on the left-hand side. We're going to take this arm round so it goes around, just thinking about the arm first, around, and then it goes behind your body again. Okay, so we bring it from the back to the front, and it goes behind your body. To the front and behind your body. Okay, now I'm going to put a bit of twirl into that. So your hand is just going over and behind your body. Over and behind your body. Okay, now the big end, you're going to take it like a figure of 8 action. So you're going to draw an 8 with the big end. So you draw it around figure of 8. Okay, so we're concentrating on this big end. We're going to take the baton from behind you. Okay, now it's now still touching your body here. The big end is at the bottom. I'll take the big end over the top. Okay, so that's the first part of the figure of 8. You're going to bring it round and down, so it comes down, continuing to make the 8. It goes round again, it's still going round to make that 8. And then it goes behind your back, where it started. So you're just drawing an 8 shape with the big end in the air. So again, the big end's on the left-hand side of your body. You're going to bring this baton from the back. Now it's just still touching my body at the moment. The big end's at the bottom here. Now it's going to come round, so the big end's going to start to make the figure of 8 shape. It's coming round. It's coming down. It's going to go round to make the second part of the 8. And then at the end, instead of going that way, we're going to go behind the body again. And that's how you do a right-handed whip. So you bring it from the back, big end's on the left-hand side, the big end's still at the bottom here. It goes around, so you've got to turn your wrist to make it work. Bring it over the top, it comes round, it goes down to make that 8 shape. And it makes that second circular action. As it hits the centre of the 8, it just passes and goes behind. And that is how you do a right-handed whip. What makes it look like it's spinning more is just the speed of it. Okay, so just nice and slowly again, we're going to go around, take that big end up and over, it comes down and around, it completes the 8 shape, and then it goes behind your back. Okay, and the faster we do that, the more it looks like it's spinning. So you're going to have to move your wrist so that it takes the baton into the right position for the 8. And the faster you do that, the more it looks like it's spinning. And that is your right-handed whip.